Okay, so this is my 2013 painting In the Wings, stage left. And this painting was part of a series of paintings I did of members of the Richmond Ballet Company at the time. I was part of a project and I got the opportunity to watch the dancers rehearse and come up with a series of paintings. And one of my favorite dancers who was with the company at the time was Lauren Fagoni, and she posed for this painting. And one of the things that I really enjoyed about the project is getting to watch the performers not only work out their material, but also those stages where they were literally in the wings, waiting to go on, whether it was for a performance or it was, in this case, for their rehearsals. It was nice to see them in those kind of unguarded moments between their performances. And that actually interested me more, frankly, than actually, capturing something about them dancing, which was really beautiful. But I really liked sort of those in-between moments even more. I felt like there was more possibility for maybe some more introspective moments. And Lauren, I just thought was a beautiful subject to paint. She's a magnificent dancer. She's now retired. But it was really, a great experience, and to be able to do a scene that is theatrical in nature was a lot of fun. Painting this tutu was a lot of fun, and it was just this really like lightweight, translucent material, and but anyway, all of this came together in this painting that I've called In the Wings, stage left, and it is part of my available body of work, and I hope you've enjoyed this chance to give it a good close-up view. Thanks for watching.